you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a clean with me motivation video. I know you guys love these type of videos and have been asking for them because I feel like I haven't filmed one in a really long time. Well, anyways, I was super excited to film today's video and I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. If you do like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I would love to have you here as part of the Mom Life Balance. And if you are also new, don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. For today's cleaning video, I'm just going to be tidying up the upstairs and cleaning my bathroom. However, this is going to be a cleaning video with just music. So if you guys want to jam and clean with me at the same time, you can just turn up the volume because I will be playing some fun music throughout this video. So again, I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
You might be the one that truly get me, and I might be the one you really want, and I feel it too. But you don't know what I've been going through. This is when you tell me that you're different. This is when you try to make me fall. Convince me it's true, and that is why you want me like you do. But you didn't even have to try, 'cause you can start a fire without a spark. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. Maybe you will tell me what you're thinking, or maybe you will give me all the blame. But I'm moving on. I just have to make sure that you know. Would you be there for me if I'm flying straight into the sun? Blinded by the light I'm chasing, that has happened before. And maybe you don't know for sure, but you can start a fire without a spark. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. The flame, you remember the flame, alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame, alright. staying. You're giving it all for the fame. Your vanity, you have no shame. None of it makes any sense. Can you feel it? I don't wanna hear all your table talk. Let me see the one who you really are. I know it's so easy to play the part, but you're not being honest. We are lost for the cause in our own specific state. It's the logic of things that I never could explain. Fill the blanks in our dirty sheets when I'm missing a single piece. What are we doing? How we're turning gray, and somehow there's no one to blame. We don't know how to behave, we don't listen. Now this is the price that we pay, fixing the problems we made. None of it makes any sense. Can you feel it?